Welcome to Star Science. Today, we will learn about electricity. This lesson is for Primary 3. Let's get ready to learn and stay safe. This is electricity. Electricity helps things work. We use electricity every day at home and at school. Let's learn where electricity comes from and how to use it safely. Today, we will learn to 1. Know mains electricity. Mains electricity is electricity in our home. 2. Identify appliances that use mains electricity. 3. Use electricity safely at home. These are our vocabulary words for today. Let's read them together. Electricity. Electricity is energy that makes things work. Mains electricity. Mains electricity is electricity from power stations to homes. Appliance. An appliance is a machine that uses electricity. Power station. A power station is a place where electricity is made. Safety. Safety means being careful to avoid danger. What is mains electricity? Mains electricity is electricity from power stations. It comes to our homes through wires. It helps big appliances work. Where does mains electricity come from? Mains electricity comes from power stations. It travels through wires. It comes to our homes. These are things that use mains electricity at home. This is a refrigerator. This is a television. This is a fan. They use electricity from the wall. They need a plug. These things also use mains electricity at home. This is an air conditioner. This is a microwave. This is a washing machine. They are big appliances. They use electricity from the wall. They need a plug. These things do not use mains electricity. This is a torch. This is a clock. This is a remote control. They do not use electricity from the wall. They use dry cells or batteries. These things do not use mains electricity. This is a digital camera. This is a toy car. This is a video camera. They do not use electricity from the wall. They use dry cells or batteries. Let's check. Plug or battery. How does it get electricity? If it uses electricity from the wall, it is a plug. If it uses batteries, it is a battery. Mains electricity can be dangerous if we are not careful. Do use electricity with dry hands. Do ask an adult for help. Do switch off and unplug when not in use. Do not touch plugs with wet hands. Do not put fingers or objects into sockets. Do not play with wires. This is habit 1. Be proactive. Being proactive means I choose what I do. When I use electricity safely, I am being proactive. So we say together, I choose to be safe. Now, let's do a quick review. Look at the pictures. Is it safe or not safe? Say it with me. Safe or not safe? Good job. You are learning to choose safe actions. Now let's review. Look at the pictures. We have dry cell and mains electricity. Which one uses a battery? Which one uses a plug? Draw a line, or say the answer. Dry cell or mains electricity? Another review. Look at the pictures. We have dry cell and mains electricity. Which one uses a battery? Which one uses a plug? Draw a line, or say the answer. Dry cell or mains electricity. Let's read together. Fan, microwave, toaster, washing machine, refrigerator, air fryer, vacuum cleaner, oven, air conditioner, television. Now let's do a book activity. Look at the objects on page 52. We will group the objects by their source of electricity. Group A, remote control, hand phone, video camera, torch, What is the source of electricity for Group A? Dry cells. Group B. Lamp. Microwave oven. Electric kettle. Toaster. Television. What is the source of electricity for Group B? Mains electricity. Good job. Battery-powered devices use dry cells. Big appliances use mains electricity. Thank you for watching. Today we learned about mains electricity. We learned which things use plugs and which things use batteries. Remember, always use electricity safely.